Okay, children, let us take some polynomials and classify them according to the degree of the polynomial. Okay, let us write some polynomials. Can you tell me? Okay, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is a polynomial. And here, let us write some 4x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. I am writing another polynomial. Okay. Now, let us take the polynomial 5 and I am going to take another polynomial 4x plus 5 and finally I am going to take 0. Finally, I am going to take 0. So, here what is the degree of this polynomial? Can you tell me? Here in the first term is 3x square and the second term is 4x. Third term is 5. We know the degree of the polynomial is the highest degree of the among the terms. So, degree of the first term is 2 here because what is the degree? The exponent of the given variable. Here the exponent is 2. So, here the degree of the polynomial is, this expression is 2. And here it is 1. Here it is 0. So, the degree of this polynomial is 2. You can say it as 2. Now in the second polynomial, degree of this here is, the first term is 4x cube. So what is the power of the variable here? 3. Here in the second term 3x square, the degree is 2. And the degree of the third term is 1. Degree of this fourth term is 0. So here what is the highest degree? 3 is the highest degree. So 3 will be the degree of the complete polynomial. Understand? Now, when you are coming to the third expression, here it is a just constant, that is 5. So 5 can be written as 5 into x to the power of 0. We know the value of x to the power of 0 is 1. So 5 into 1 becomes 5. So, so the degree will be 0. Here the exponent of the given variable is 0. So here we can say the degree as 0. Now, what is this? 4x plus 5. This is 4x plus 5. Here the degrees of the first term 4x is 1. Degree of the second term 5 is 0. So the highest degree is 1. So degree of this complete polynomial will be 1. Now the last one is 0. Last one is 0. So can you say the degree of the 0? Can you say degree of the 0? No, you cannot say. So you cannot define because it cannot be written as a product of the variable. It cannot be written as a product of the variable. Here when you are coming to the constant, 5 can be written as 5 into x to the power of 0. But when in case of 0, with 0 you cannot express it as a product of the variable and constant. So here you cannot define the degree of the 0. So degree is not defined here. Not defined. Okay. So here in each case the degrees are different. What we have observed, in each case the degrees are different. So based on the degree of the polynomial, we give the name to the that particular polynomial. Okay. Let us know about the names of the polynomial according to the degree of the polynomial. Okay, degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Then name of the polynomial. Which name we are going to give that particular degree of a polynomial. Name of the polynomial. and examples. You can give many examples for each. Okay. If a degree of a polynomial, we cannot define the degree of the polynomial. The degree is not defined. The first case is not defined. Then the name of that particular polynomial is zero polynomial. Name of that particular polynomial, the polynomial of degree which we cannot be defined, that degree of the polynomial is known as a zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. That particular polynomial for which we cannot define the degree can be defined as zero polynomial. Example, just now we have discussed 0. Okay, now after this, let us take another degree, that is, let us take degree 0. Degree 0. So just now we have discussed for constants, for any constant, that degree of the constant term will be 0. So here name of that particular polynomial which has the degree 0 is known as constant polynomial. Constant Can you give some examples, children? Okay, any constant. -3, 4/3, 5. Any constants can be written as the degree of 0. So that all these are known as constant polynomials. All these are known as constant polynomials. Now take the degree 1. Degree 1. So name of a polynomial which has the degree 1 is known as a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. You can give any example. Can you give some examples? You also write in your notebooks. 3x minus 5. I am writing an example. 3x minus 5. You also try to write some more examples in your notebook. Okay, children. Now let us write the degree 2. A polynomial with degree 2 can be named as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay, can you give me the quadratic polynomial means? The degree of that polynomial should be 2. Means the highest degree among all the terms of the polynomial must be 2. So here 4x square plus 3x minus 2 is an example for that. You can also give some more examples for the quadratic polynomials. And I'm going to define another polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is 3, let us say. Degree of a polynomial is 3. Then you can name that polynomial as cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Give some examples, children. Okay. 5x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 4. I have given an example. You also give some more examples in your notebook. And this is a cubic polynomial.